Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on getting this motor off. Got my brother-in-law out here helping me today. And so we're going to take the motor off so we can work on the transom. We're just going to do a short video on taking off all the little extrapolations. You got to unplug this and unhook this and unhook that, and then now I'll be more direct, but got to take that off and all that stuff. So first thing we're going to be doing is taking this the lower unit off the boat here. We got to pull, if you saw in my earlier video, you got to pull this screw out that's on that side over there he's working on, and then we got to pull out all these bottom bolts and we'll be good to go to pull it off. Got to get that off before we put it on the stand there. It will be impossible to get off unless we laid down the motor. Okay, so we're going to be taking off this right here, and these two bolts, and then I think this, I don't know what color that is, yellow maybe? It's trying to be yellow. What do you think, that white?
Yeah,
Light, this light colored one attaches right here, and these go in first. Back that up, so these go on first, and it's all connected through there. Let me see if you guys can see that. There we go, just like that. Boom, 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 boom. Easy. And then I think I also have to take this one right here off. So let's remember where that goes. I think that should be it. I'll show here that the small wire right here that goes on this screw here goes on first, and then this little washer thing, and then the larger wire right here, right there, that larger wire up, and yeah, we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and screw the small wire back on first to do that. Ah. Okay. That is the wiring removed from the boat. Cool. Now we got the lower unit, we got all that stuff off. Now all we gotta do is remove this bolt and the hydraulic system. Should be easy to remove. We'll pick her up and slide her this way some to get the turning cable out. Alright, well, I don't know how much of that you guys saw because I had the camera angle all weird, but the straps didn't really help much. Probably be better if you found some way to get a hook on this top part, which most motors come with, but this older style I guess didn't. But anyway, we got it off the boat and on the motor stand. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I can start paying Kevin money. And and we'll be back in the next video with the transom rebuild. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.